to round 2. Now I did my makeup before, did the whole thing, edited it, and the last thing I do before I upload it is I watch the whole thing through. It was awful from everything. I looked old. I know I'm old, I'm 66, but that's beside the point. But I looked old. So here we go. Welcome back to round 2. So here we go. Starting off with Maybelline Master Prime, if I can get the shine off. And with my new buffing brush. Next, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. Colour's Creamy Beige. Okay. Now everything's going to fall off. Now the primer I'm using is my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Now the palette I'm using is the nose. No, it's not the nose. Every time I do my face, my nose runs. Now the palette I'm using is the Revlon, I'll have to tell you, Magnif'eyes Rainbow Edition palette. And they're the colours. Now the colour all over my lid I'm going to use is this one on the end, orange. Doesn't have a name, it's an orange colour. We'll put that all over the lid. Now because we can, in the outer corner, I'm going to use this one. A bit of fallout, don't we? Now, just as a bit of a highlight, I'm going to use this one. And we'll see how we go with it. And we'll just, this one, and just blend them all together. Now, under eye, I didn't get a line, yes I did. I'm going to use the outer corner one on the outside. So we'll do, which is this one. better than it was before. Okay. That down. I'm going to use this next. This is my Maybelline Dream Lumi pen that I've wiped all the writing off and it's nearly run out, so I use it first to do the clean-ups. Stick it in there. Now, mascara is the Maybelline Colossal. Now I'll just do it on the top lashes, not the bottom lashes, because I'm already dark enough on the bottom, so we'll just do the top. Eyebrows. Using my Rimmel Eyebrow pencil. Wherever the words are, there they are. Got a hearing aid behind there, I've got an itch. Okay, how are we looking? Maybe just a little bit more colour on the outside. This colour on the outside again. Better. Okay. Cheeks. Using the, if I can get it right, there it is, got it. Bronzer. Blush. I'm using, get it right, my NYX blusher and the colour is Peach. My blender. Highlighter is the Ow. Just stick my finger in it. Unbelievable. This is the Beige highlighter and you can see where I stuck my finger in it. And I'm wearing it. Unbelievable. Lips. Have a scratch. I have a lip liner here somewhere. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh no. I'm going to use a lip primer with, this is my NYX Lip Primer. My lips have been very dry lately. Now I'm going to use the Revlon Colorstay Ultimate Liquid Lips. The colour is Stellar Sunrise. There you have it. Shall we look at the eyes? Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button. Whack that notification bell and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So there you have it.